Hey, welcome back to another video of eTechs. In this video, we are going to learn how to share character AI link. To share character AI links such as link to a specific character or chat, you can follow these steps. Open up your preferred web browser and head over to Character AI. Make sure to log into your account. Now find the character you want to share. On the character profile page or on the chat window, copy the URL from the address bar. Once you have copied the URL, you can paste it wherever you like to share it, on social media, messaging apps, email, and other platforms. By using this method, you can easily share any chat or chat session from Character AI with others. There is no any option to share on the application or the website, but you can use the standard URL copy-paste method. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.